Today I'm going to be showing you guys two different crochet methods for your U-part wig. If you don't want to bring out your hair, it's for a no leave out, okay? And if you don't want to bring out your hair but you still want to wear a wig, a U-part wig, I mean, you can also use this method for a half wig, but today I'm showing you guys two different methods for this U-part wig. It's almost there. Okay, you're gonna get your money back with this mannequin. So you can see how I made this part. I didn't break close to the part area. I made sure my corner was a little bit outside so I can have a little bit of room for my crochet. You don't have to do this just this way just because I am not braiding down the hair. You can see how it came out. If I was braiding down the hair, I would probably just go straight and do the cornrow all back. You can see. I'm gonna use one side the weft hair method, and this one is the bulk hair, okay? And a 4C bulk hair, because this 4C bulk hair is when you do a blowout on it, it's gonna give you a texture that's gonna match your kinky straights, okay? So that is why I'm using this one. Wefted hair, 4C bulk hair. This is a knit picker, not the regular latch hook you get from Amazon. This is quite different. It's actually from Amazon. I got this one from Amazon, but not the regular crochet. You can see how tiny this is. This is short, okay? So if you want to go for something longer, I recommend going for as long as 24 inches. This is about 16 inches or so. So the longer your hair, well, this is what I have at the moment. So I'm going to just work with it now to show you guys what I meant. This is why I prefer this texture to silky hair. Silky hair doesn't stay. So I knot twice. This one is also good if you have a coily wig or kinky coily wig and you want to no leave out to also blend with coily and kinky straights. So one thing about the kinky straight is gonna be limiting because it's gonna give you only one texture, which is the kinky straights. But with this, you can have your kinky straights and your kinky coily. So you gotta take your time, little by little. You don't have to put a lot at the same time because you want this to be natural. So here I'm using tiny bits of hair. So I'm gonna taste. To get you guys to see. I mentioned to you guys, make sure you leave a little bit of space in between so it's makes it look more natural than when it's too close. Okay. This is a Kinky straight Yupo wig. You can see. You can still get this wet and blend it with your coily hair or kinky coily hair. Wefted hair side. How many blends? You can't tell.